In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to comment and activity notifications for a file or folder in Dropbox. This way, you can receive timely alerts whenever someone comments on your file or when your content changes. Let's begin with files. First, visit Dropbox.com and make sure to sign in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the specific file you wish to follow. To do this, simply click on its name to open it. Once you're in the file, look for the Comments icon, which resembles a speech bubble, located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will open the Comments pane. In this new section, you'll find either a bell icon or an ellipsis menu. Click on whichever option you see, and choose Subscribe or Subscribe to Comments. By doing this, you ensure that you'll promptly receive notifications whenever there's a new comment on your file. If you ever find yourself wanting to stop these notifications, all you need to do is repeat the same steps and select Unsubscribe. Now, let's move on to subscribing for activity notifications related to folders, which is especially helpful if you're eager to keep track of changes happening within a shared folder. Once you're on Dropbox.com, navigate to the folder you'd like to keep tabs on. Find the Settings gear icon, which you'll see close to the folder's name or near the top of your screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Folder Settings. After you're in the folder settings, click on Follow. This is where you can tailor your notifications to your specific needs. Choose the types of changes you wish to be alerted about, be it when a file is added, when a file is deleted, and so on. You'll also have the option to decide how often you want to receive these notifications. You could choose to be notified immediately as changes occur or opt for a more consolidated daily digest. If down the line you feel the need to modify these preferences, the process is straightforward. Simply go back into the folder settings, then navigate to Following, and from there, go to Manage Options. Here, you can adjust your notification settings to better fit your evolving needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily stay updated on any comments made or changes occurring in your Dropbox files and folders. Whether it's for professional collaboration or personal projects, keeping informed has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Dropbox experience.